So today I am reviewing triple integrals, which is multiple integration, and the problem I have chosen is problem 6 from web work, homework number 12. So this problem needs us to find the mass of the rectangular prism, and we are given the boundaries. Those boundaries are 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 4. 0 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 3. And 0 is less than or equal to z, which is less than or equal to 1. And we have to integrate using our density function, which was given here, which is x, grams per cubic centimeter. So finding the mass of the rectangular prism, we have to start off by setting up our triple integral. So we start mass equals the triple integral of our density function, which is x times dx, dy, dz. So because it's a rectangular prism, the order doesn't necessarily matter. So the order I have chosen is z, y, and x for our three integrals. So setting up our boundaries, z is from 0 to 1, y is from 0 to 3, and x is from 0 to 4. So the first step is to integrate x with respect to x. Pretty simple, which leaves us with 1/2 x squared. We must then evaluate that integral from the boundary, which is 0 to 4. Evaluating 1/2 x squared from 0 to 4 gives us 8. So the next step is to evaluate 8 with respect to y, which is 8y. And then from there, we will evaluate 8y from 0 to 3. Evaluating 8y from 0 to 3 is 8 times 3 minus 8 times 0, which is 24 minus 0, leaves us with the answer of 24. So after that, we must evaluate 24z from 0 to 1, and evaluating that gives us 24 times 1 minus 24 times 0, which is 24. So how do we know what units to use? So with units, we notice that our density function, the units of it are grams per cubic centimeter. And with our dx, dy, and dz, they are all in centimeters. So dx is in centimeters, dy is in centimeters, and as well as dz. So those are all centimeters cubed. So when you multiply grams per centimeter cubed times centimeters cubed, you're left with grams. I wrote the wrong unit here. My mistake. I was rushing through it. So that's supposed to say grams there, not centimeters cubed, but our mass of the prism is 24 grams, not centimeters cubed.